Yoga friends, before we jump into today's exciting yoga practice, don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe so you can be part of all our yoga journeys. We've prepared lots of fun poses and games just for you. Ready? Let's begin. Sit with the soles feet together. Let your knees fall to the sides like butterfly wings. Fantastic! Butterfly pose stretches your hips, relaxes your body, and helps you feel calm. On hands and knees, round your back like a cat. Now lift your chest like a cow. Let's move gently. Awesome! Cat-cow warms up the spine and makes us feel flexible. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, reach your arms forward, and rest like a cozy child. Good work! Child's pose helps your body rest, stretches your back, and makes your mind feel calm. Come onto your hands and toes. Keep your body straight like a plank. Great job! Plank pose makes us strong and steady. Place your hands and feet on the mat, lift your hips high, and make an upside-down V shape. Wonderful! Downward dog stretches your whole body, wakes you up, and helps your mind feel clear. Place your hands and feet on the mat, lift your hips high like an upside-down V, then slowly raise one leg up and balance. Great! Three-legged dog helps you feel strong and focused. Step 1 foot forward, place your hands on the mat, and lower your hips as you stretch like a lizard. You did it! Lizard pose stretches your hips and legs, builds strength, and helps your body feel open. Step 1 foot forward, bend your front knee, stretch your arms wide, and look over your front hand like a brave warrior. strengthens your legs, improves balance, and helps you feel focused and brave. Step 1 foot forward. Bend your front knee, place one hand on your leg, and reach the other arm overhead to stretch to the side. Great focus. It stretches your sides and legs, builds strength, and helps your body feel open and strong. Lie on your tummy. Place hands under shoulders and lift your chest up like a cobra. Great Cobra Pose makes your back strong and open. From plank, turn to one side, balancing on one hand and foot. Lift your other arm up. Side plank makes your arms and core strong. Lie flat on your back, arms by your sides, eyes closed. Be still like a sleeping star. Excellent. Cobra Pose helps us rest fully. Lie on your back and lift your legs straight up, pretending they're resting on an invisible wall. Lovely! Legs up the wall helps your body relax, rest your legs, and makes your mind feel calm. Stand tall with your feet flat, hands on your hips, and grow strong and steady like a mountain. Strong work. It improves posture, builds balance, and helps your mind feel calm and focused. Stand tall. Place one foot on your other leg. Bring your hands together and balance like a strong tree. Great work! Tree pose improves balance, builds focus, and helps you feel calm and steady. Step 1 foot forward, bend your front knee, lift your arms up high, and keep your body tall. Super job! It strengthens your legs, stretches your body, and helps you feel strong and balanced. Great job, yoga friends! You did amazing today! Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this with your friends so they can join the fun too. Take a deep breath, smile, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye bye!